MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine, 80 kilopascal suction power, bags and cutter included. A compact one-touch automatic food sealer with external vacuum system, dry moist fresh mode for all saving needs. Brand MegaWise. Material plastic. Color black. Product dimensions 15.2 lx 4.1 wx 2.3 h. Item weight 1.2 kilograms. 80k per suction power asterisk updated 2023 vacuum sealer uses a DC motor pump with electromagnetics and pure copper for enhanced suction power. It sucks all air out tightly to preserve your meat and vegetables for 10 times longer or more to prevent oxidation and keep things fresh. Updated versions solve many issues found from previous version. Works with more food types. Updated unit has a moist mode that removes liquids as much as 10 milliliters from your meat or fish with a tight seal. Dry mode to work with food without water. Vac Pulse allows you to control how much you want to vacuum, for example marinated beef with juice without sucking liquids out. Seal mode to seal snack leftovers. Vacuum hose included to vacuum storage jars and wine bottles. Asterisk one-touch automatic vac seal operation asterisk so easy, quick and practical. With the one-touch button, you can get the food vacuumed and sealed tightly in 10 to 20 seconds. The 11.8-inch sealing bar works with most bags. Updated works over 50 styles without overheating. Enhanced structure for durability. Mega functions, save your time, get it done easy. We designed a built-in sliding cutter for you to easily get a smoother customized bag quickly without searching for the cutters, and also slim and compact design to make it easy to start with and easy to storage. Mega simple, save your wisdom, just touch and done. With one-touch operation and to specialized modes, you can get the food vacuumed in 10 to 20 seconds. The 12 inches sealing wire supports to seal 3 to 5 bags at one time. Choosing the dry or moist mode according to the food types, dry mode for solid items and moist mode for poached, simmered or steamed food, gives your food the most careful protects.